Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing and then first impressions of this portable toolbox by HART. It was on clearance online at walmart.com for $20. So let's see what we get for $20. Get about 20 feet of bubble wrap. And a box inside of a box. There's a picture on the box right there. That way you know which side is up. Whoa. So that top one came off. Here's the box. It says right here, it's a 3-in-1 rolling toolbox. 8-compartment removable organizer, easy transport. And this is what it includes. It's not very tall, but for $20, what do you expect? Up on top, let's take a look here. We have 2 little side trays here for storing some bits or some sockets, maybe some electrical things in there. Or if you can use this for crafts, you can store your smaller craft items in here, tapes, razor blades, whatever. Let's see what else we have. Those like aluminum latch there. The lid don't stay open on its own, but it's only $20 again. We have a tray, not too bad. And then there's that box. Not too shabby so far. And let's see, this is the handle to roll it. It's not very high, so if you're a tall person and you're pulling this behind you, you might hit the back of your feet. Let's see. It says slide lock bar to the left, so you slide it this way. And that's how you get it to unlock. Alright, I'm going to take the top box off the bottom box. You release these. Then you lift straight up. And the bottom box is just an open box. So you could put bigger tools, batteries, extension cord, whatever you could fit in there. I will leave the link in the description for all of this. And then in the front here, we have a small little organizer. And I'm going to admit, this one right here is a lot deeper than most of the ones that I see for like tackle boxes. It's pretty thick plastic as well. And that just slides right in. It seems to be locked in there pretty good. Let me see if I tilt it forward if it falls out. It don't fall out. Seems to roll fairly smooth. And again, you just slide that over and unlock it. Wheels, thick rubber. This is rubber, that's not plastic, which will help if you're sliding it along delicate flooring. You're not going to scratch up whatever you're dragging it across. So there it is. The HART 3-in-1 rolling toolbox. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye.